I'm very impressed by the quality of the carving that I see. So I took time for that because I like the Gandhara art, and I think you have a very beautiful collection of carving. And for myself, I didn't know that you have so many archaeological sites relative to Gandhara around Swat. I didn't know. I just checked on the picture. Yeah, last November, I had the chance to go to Taxila, which I was really impressed by the museum as well. We have visiting different sections of Gandhara in the museum in Karachi, in Lahore, and I don't remember some cities. So, I mean, it's interesting now to see the big stupa. I didn't see now. I'm very happy to go tomorrow morning to visit the Tartibai monastery, which I know it's in the UNESCO list. It was missing for me last time, so very happy. And really, quality of carving is very high. I like it. I just arrived yesterday, so I could not reply. I don't, even everyone in Pakistan, myself, I don't feel insecure. We have escort with them. Maybe. I don't know. I don't feel insecure really. People maybe less smiling that in some part of, but maybe you need to know them. It's my opinion. You need to know because it's mountain, because it's another people. I think it's Pashtun. Am I right? So I need to meet them to. I don't know. Maybe we have to cover. I don't know. I'm sure it's good. We need time to do, but I can say that I like Pakistan very much. It's a very rich country. It's very different from part to part, and every part I have seen, I like it. For the high mountain, for the people, very hospitable, and it's very rich, like a culture, like everything. So for myself, it's interesting to going in. Yeah. I'm glad. Thank you.
Nan mungadalta jamashawiyu the International Museum Day la para. International Museum Day sade da yo International Day da chikam yo International idara da ICOM International Council of Museum da uraz manai har kal da uraz munga manau museum chikam ahmiyat de majid ta ujagar kol la para munga da uraz har saal 18 Mei bane manau दे उरस बाने मुंग सर उस दे टाइम के चाइनीज़ एम्बेसी अगर कोऑपरेशन के दे अगर मुंग तम यो शांति मतलब स्पॉन्सर कई लग गया दे मुंग सपोर्ट कई लग गया दे और मुंग दे उरस ता इस्तेमाल को लग गया यो चितौर दुनिया तम मुंगा यो मैसेज वर्कू के पाकिस्तान यो पुरमन कौम दे और मुंगा बतो दुनिया के अमन वाड़ू मुंगा उस दे टाइम के मुंगा माशुमान देर ज़्यादा दी जलता म्यूजियम के अगर डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज़ कई लग गया दे एक्टिविटीज़ के अगर जहाज जोड़ी लगी आदे और कागजों बांधने दी कई लगी आदे नो वार वी वांट पीस मतलब जैसे जो इंटरनेशनल स्लोगन्स जोड़ो लगी आयु कि मुंगा टोल दुनिया तो यो पैगाम रखूँ कि मुंगा यो पूरा मन को